we make it through December, things gonna be alright, I know. It's the coldest time of winter, and I shiver when I see the falling snow. If we make it through December, got plans to be in a warmer town come summertime, maybe even California. If we make it through December, we'll be fine. Got laid off down at the factory, and their timing wasn't the greatest in the world. Heaven knows that I've been working hard, wanted Christmas to be right from Daddy's girl. I don't mean to hate December, it's supposed to be the happy time of year. Daddy's little girl don't understand why Daddy can't afford no Christmas cheer. If we make it through December, things are gonna be alright, I know. It's the coldest time of the winter, and I shiver when I see the falling snow. If we make it through December, I got plans to be in a warmer town come summertime,